Hello and welcome to a quick tutorial on how to get your Zoom meeting in Wirecast as a screen capture. Right quick, let's look at the application for this. Zoom is a great tool to bring multiple people together for an online video conference. That conference may need to be streamed out to Facebook, YouTube, or a faith-based service like Church Streaming TV. You'll be able to bring in the Zoom webinar window into Wirecast, add graphic elements or other media, and stream out to multiple destinations. For Windows, we'll need two monitors. We'll have Wirecast on one monitor, and we'll have the Zoom meeting up on the second monitor. If you have enough real estate on your single monitor, you can position them side to side, and this will still work. So we'll go ahead and select a new shot, screen capture, and click OK. This will pick up my first monitor, and we will need to position and scale the screen capture to fit the window. And scale up a bit. There we have it. Take that shot live. And there's how you bring your Zoom meeting into Wirecast as a screen capture.